Question 1. A group consists of 5 men and 2 women. Whenever you come across information, write it down. 5 men, 2 women. Find the number of different ways that the group can stand in a line if the women are not next to each other. They are standing in a line. I should make sure that woman beside a woman, again woman should not be present. Clear with the question? To satisfy the condition, what we do is we put the woman separate and arrange the rest out people. Rest out remaining are 5 men. So arrange 5 men. So 5 blanks. 5 men can be arranged in 5 blanks in 5p5 ways. Okay. Now women should not be beside each other, means they should be placed in between. So I should see in between how many places do I have. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in between 6 places for how many women? 2. So 6p2. They all are different, so by will not come. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 3600. Question 2. Find the number of different ways in which all 12 letters of the word can be arranged so that S are not next to each other. Whenever you come across a word, write each letter has come how many times. Starting with S. S is present once, twice. T is present once. E is present 4 times. P is present once. L is present once. C is present once. H present once. A present once. Okay. These 12 letters are arranged. Condition that should be satisfied is S are not next to each other. Whenever something should not be next to each other, put them aside and arrange the remaining letters. Put S separately and arrange all this. So these are 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So put 10 blanks. Okay. 10 letters, 10 blanks can be arranged in 10p10 ways. Okay. Remember, in this 10 letters, these 4 E's are identical. So by 4 factorial, you should not miss. S should not be next to each other, means I should place them in between these letters. So I should say in between how many places do I have. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in between these letters, I have 11 places for 2S. So 11 places 2S can be arranged in 11p2 ways. And more, these two S are identical. So by 2 factorial. If you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 8316000. Okay. Question 3. Find the number of different ways in which the 9 letters of the word can be arranged so that T's are not together. So whenever word is given, write each letter has come how many times. So T is present twice. O is present 3 times. A is present once. D is present once, S is once, L is also once. Okay. Whenever word is given, write like this first. Now, T's should not be together. Whatever should not be together, leave it aside and arrange the remaining letters, which are this. So, remaining how many letters do you have? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, put 7 blanks. 7 letters, 7 blanks can be arranged in 7p7 ways. Okay. Now, in these 7 letters, these 3 O's are identical. So, divide it with 3 factorial. Okay. Now, I should see in between how many places do I have for these 2 letters T. So, count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in between I have 8 places for the 2 letters T. So, 8P2. More. These 2 letters T are also identical. So, by 2 factorial. Put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 23520. Question 4. Find the number of different arrangements that can be made from the 9 letters of the word in which 2 L's are not next to each other. Word is given, write each letter has come how many times. Letter J has come once, letter E has come 3 times, and then W has come once, L has come twice, R is present once, Y also present once. Okay. Now my condition is L should not be next to each other. Whatever should not be next to each other, put them separate and arrange the remaining letters. Remaining what letters do you have? This. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters, so put 7 blanks. 7 letters can be arranged in 7 blanks in 7p7 ways. In those 7 letters, these 3 E's are identical. So I should divide this with 3 factorial. Okay. Now I should see in between how many places do I have for these 2L. So count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places for 2L. So 8P2. And also these 2L are identical. So by 2 factorial. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 23520. Question 5. Find the number of different ways in which the 10 letters of the word can be arranged so that E's are not together. The letter E's should not be together. Whenever word is given, write each letter is present how many times. So S is present once, U is present once, M is present 3 times, E is present twice, R is present once, T is present once, I also present once. Okay. Now condition that I should satisfy is E's are not together. Whichever should not be together, leave them separate and arrange the remaining. So leave E and the remaining are these letters. So how many of them are present? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters, so put 8 blanks. So 8 letters can be arranged in 8 blanks in 8p8 ways. In this 8, you should not forget that these 3 m are identical. So by 3 factorial. Okay. Now I should place these two e's in between. Only then I can make sure that e's are not together. So see how many places do I have in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in between I have 9 places for 2 letters. So 9p2 and more. These 2 letters E are identical. So by 2 factorial. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 241920 is the answer.